Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. I'm with the holiday buggy. Last time I used it, you seen I broke this body mount post here. Clean off the bottom. Let me take it off. Broke this here on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to try to fix it because I searched on eBay. Everywhere I couldn't find it. So what I'm gonna try to do here is maybe put a piece of this on there and cut it and somehow hold it on there with goop glue and some fishing line or something to reinforce it, because I can't find the damn part. So that's what I'm gonna do, try to do something. So let me get to work. I don't want to cut this and go crazy because I found this piece. It's fiberglass. It's no good to breathe this stuff in. So let me get some tools ready and we'll get to it. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut this, so I'm gonna mark this right here. Just like that, and then probably cut it right off. Just like that. With this Dremel tool. I'll start and then I'm gonna shut it off because I don't want to make a mess. I'm gonna go outside. Alright, just like that, I gotta cut it. I'm gonna go finish this outside and I'll be back. Alright, I got it trimmed off. Just gonna round this edge a little bit here. You don't want to breathe that stuff in. I got a mask on, guys. Don't worry. Blow it away with this blower. Works for everything. Alright. Now, I'm going to have to put this on. Somehow like that. Glue it with that goop glue. I may have to shave this down a little bit. Re-drill out that hole a little bit. But let me get something to clean this up. Some alcohol, and we'll get to doing that. Alright, what I want to do is rough this up a little bit so the glue will stick to it. Alright, now I got my rubbing alcohol here. That should be good. Now this piece here, go in an X pattern. Give it something to bite onto. Alright, and I'll clean that off. What I'm going to do is goop glue it and put 2 dabs of super glue so it holds it in place. Then I'm going to put some fishing line around it to hold it probably. All right, I'm back. Now, what we're going to do is, see the side that's rough? We're going to put that down just like this. But I want to make sure I get some of this goop glue on it. Oh, I'm running low. This stuff's the best. That. Some crazy glue just to hold it. Now, I got the right side. Alright, let me push this down. Don't dry on me. I may have to drill that hole out a little bit. Hard to get into place. That looks close enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. I don't think you're gonna have to put anything on there. That's pretty damn strong. Probably never gonna come off. I'm just gonna go around the outside edge with the goop. I'm not even gonna put fishing line. I don't think you're gonna need it. Sorry if I'm not in the camera. This stuff holds really good. I don't think that's going anywhere. And that should be good. Now, let's see if it fits. Go back to the car here. I may have to grind that down. I got a fly in the house here. Get the heck out, you little bugger. It looks like I gotta sand it just a hair on the edges. Hold on. Let me get my mask on. Yeah, it's got to be sanded just a little bit on the edges. See if that works. Blow this off real quick. I think that's all the way down. Looks all the way down. I just gotta sand this just a little bit, I think. I think that'll work. Maybe not. Let me see something here. Where's my screw? It'd be nice with a bigger washer. Yeah, I gotta drill this out. Alright. I gotta make this hole a little larger. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta make that hole a little larger. Let me get my reamer. Where the heck is it? Trying to get the fiberglass a little bit. It's my elbow cracking. Let's see if that works. I may have to get a longer screw now. That's what I'm gonna have to do. That looks like it. Maybe I'll go around here with a piece of fishing line. That way it'll hold it better. Right around the top like this. But I think it's holding good. Let's see if the body fits. Yep. That worked, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. I fixed it. Yay! Alright, guys. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this fix. I'm just going to go around the top section with a little piece of like 10-pound fishing line to hold it better. Top half of that fiberglass. And I think it'll be good to go. I don't know why I couldn't find this part anywhere. If anyone has one, you have an extra one laying around, you can send me out one. That's all I could do is fix that like that. I'm just going to get a little bit longer screw now because it's hardly probably going in, as you see there. So then I'm going to go around here with some fishing line just around like this and wrap it a couple times. Alright guys, that's the quick fix of my body mount. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.